You are finally here for extra help.
Mom says I can't go to practice until I pull up my marks.
No kidding?
I think she has been checking students' achieve.
So what can I help you with?
I am trying to get ready for our test next week and I have some questions about hormones.
I think I can help you out with that. Let's start out with what you know.
Well, I get most of this hormone stuff, but I am stuck on the one messenger versus two messenger models. Mind if I answer that? It is my girlfriend.
I guess not.
There, I just needed to text that I would be hanging out in the parking lot after practice.
Well, now that you are done. There are two basic classes of hormones based on their chemical structure. Do you remember what they were?
Steroid hormones, which have a basic structure composed of cholesterol with characteristic side chains. And non-steroids, which were made up of amino acids, polypeptides, and proteins.
Very good. Do you remember which used the one messenger model and which used the two messenger model?
I think the non-steroid use the one messenger system, or is it the other way around?
It is the other way around, but that is pretty good. Steroid hormones use the one messenger model because they are composed of lipids and therefore fat-soluble. Once released into the bloodstream, they can be carried by a protein carrier directly through the cell membrane of the target cell. Once inside the cell, some steroid hormones attach to specific receptor proteins in the cytoplasm before passing into the nucleus of the cell as a hormone receptor complex. The binding of the hormone receptor complex to the cell's DNA triggers the process of transcription.
What is transcription?
Transcription is the process whereby a portion of a cell's DNA is copied into a message called messenger RNA that can be sent to the cytoplasm and turned into a protein or peptide that the cell requires.
Sounds slow.
It is compared to the two messenger model of hormone action.
It makes sense. Although the one messenger can enter the cell rather directly, it takes longer to interact with the cell's DNA to produce the desired result.
Great job.
So how about we finish with the second messenger model? I got to get going soon.
Well, the two messenger model is called two messenger because it requires more than one messenger to bring about the desired chemical reaction. The hormone is the first messenger. It cannot pass through the cell membrane. So instead it attaches to a cell surface receptor protein that activates the second messenger.
The second messenger, commonly for our purposes cyclic AMP.
Great. Once released, the second messenger triggers a series of chemical reactions that bring about the desired effect in the cell.
Faster than the one messenger model.
Exactly. Because all of the chemical reactions are already in place.
Thanks, teacher. I think I understand.
Great, glad to help you out.